today we're gonna show you how to fix a disk error, and then I tell you a little story because the reason I got a disk error because I'm trying to install Windows XP, don't boot it. If you have that problem too, you install Windows XP, that's a bad idea because I got that error, so I want to this. But in order to fix it, if you did this before a recovering a disk, you have a CD. If after you purchase your new computer, you get a CD or something like that, like a disc, or this belongs to this computer. But you should. But if you don't have one, you can make one, or at your any computer, your brothers, your sisters, your aunt, cousin, library, or at the library you can do that. So I got a disc here, and then but I'm gonna turn on this. I'm gonna plug this on. Let me plug this on. Okay, plug this on here, and turn on the computer. I'm not going to show you because I already fixed it. I don't want to break it again. So a little boot manual. It takes, and then boot up with USB. Okay. Okay, let the times to boot up. It takes for a while, it's like a setup or something like that. And then yeah. I thought it takes like a little, like short time or any. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so but that shows up. Okay. System. It's here. Okay, choose a keyboard. Mine's the US always. Okay, and then these shows up. I can't believe these takes these take turn off the computer, continue using Windows 10, options, or troubleshoot. You click like troubleshoot if you have something, or another version of Windows if you have a lot of version of like that, and then click troubleshoot, and then system restore if you want to reinstall Windows or get it back in the time, or system recovering image, like you have a specific image file, or install updates if you want to install update, or open command prompt or something like that. And then after that you can use your mouse also, and then like Windows 7. So if you need something like a disk error or something, click system repair, which one, like Windows 10, choose Windows 10. It's going to diagnose your PC, and then we go check whatever. So that's how I fix my error. So I hope to show you this video. I hope it helps. Bye.